Hello and good morning. It's time for another demo of the progress so far with setting up shortcuts on iOS to control the Linux systems that are powering the Raspberry Pi digital HF network that I experiment with on amateur radio. With this, I'm going to show you how it can be used to shut down and start services that are all dependent on system D, so that they can resolve conflicts and automatically stop systems that don't want to be running, such as it will stop the modems first before launching WSJTX automatically, and vice versa. This, if you want to launch the modems again, you just launch the modems and the system D process figures out, oh, you've got WSJTX service conflicting, you will shut this one down. And that's exactly what it will do. So there's no intense scripting behind the scenes, it's not too much. I've got a little custom script that sorts out setting radio frequencies via the node, and that's running through the back end telnet interface with BPQ, or Lin BPQ. What I'm going to demonstrate with this as well is showing how it can be used to restart modems. These VARA modems occasionally drop out connections and can be quite unreliable on the basis that they are running inside an emulator on Linux, and they're running an emulator on a completely different CPU architecture. So it's running inside box 86, and that is emulating x86 processor, and we're running Linux Wine within that, and that is thanks to the WheezyE GitHub project of the Wine Link guys who managed to get that working. Fantastic work. Now I'm going to try showing you how it's going to look. I'm going to shut down the middle screen first because that TNC hasn't connected, so I'm just going to run WSJTX for the moment, and then I'm going to have a look at connecting to my friend in Ireland via VARA. It's on 40 meters and it's early in the morning and the propagation is not great, but he has kindly given me access to his BBS system, which is on a laptop running Windows 10, running the VARA HF modem and BPQ32 node, and you can also see the UZ7HO sound modem there. The equivalent that we use on Linux is called QT Sound Modem. It was ported by John G8 BBQ, with thanks with the cooperation to Andy, UZ7HO. So the connection is going to start establishing a link now to Ireland from my system here in the Netherlands, and it will run through a forwarding proposal exchange, but it won't actually send any data other than just the text to talk about what messages we've got. As it's rather slow at the moment, being that the propagation is poor. This part's sped up just for the sake of sanity, and that's it. Well, that's a short demo. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to keep improving my scripts, and I will be publishing everything on my website as I go, so there's lots of stuff there already. Go check it out. It's on eindhoven.space or red-heat.com. Thanks for watching.